Today I'm filling a wholesale order. She ordered 20 lip scrubs and 20 squeeze through wholesale. As y'all can see, I already did birthday cake and cotton candy. This is strawberry, and then she also got chocolate. So I'm about to go ahead and get started because per usual, I'm running out of time. So let's go ahead and start filling these jars. So this is the only gloss that I had to make more of. I still have a good amount of the other glosses. And I'm just waking up from a nap, so if my voice sounds a little crazy, that's why. But so this is the Gloss Obsessed. I already put my oils in and the pigment in. I like to add my oils and put the pigment on top, and then mix the oil and the pigment together, and then mix it in to the gloss. There are other ways you can do this, but this is how I like to do mine. And it is strawberry scented. It smells really good. So this customer ordered 3 glitter glosses, a clear gloss, and 1 nude gloss. So she got 2 Simplicity, 5 for Keeps, 5 Obsessed, 5 Sunkissed, and 3 Wealthy. End the video. I'm about to go ahead and pack this up and ship it off today. This one and a sample order to ship off today, and then I have one more order I'm gonna fulfill probably tomorrow. But yeah, so she ordered Squeeze Soup Wholesale 20 and 20 lip scrubs, cotton candy, strawberry, birthday cake, and chocolate. And then she got Wealthy, Simplicity for Keeps, Sunkissed, and Obsessed. And this one is chocolate scented, watermelon, pineapple, lemonade, and strawberry. They smell really good. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're interested in wholesale. Click the link in the description box, nicebeautybuyer.com, to check everything out. All information is on the site. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video.